Storm's on YouTube.
Hi guys, I'm Stormy Gamer. I'm the dog called Stormy. And there she goes. So, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't visited my channel, don't forget to start visiting them. Okay, we're not gonna really do anything, but look at my new costume. I made it up. It's creepy, adorable. I think, guys, I'm just gonna see. Look, I'm worried. Guys, I'm just saying that my grandparents came from England. Only one's coming later. About 3 weeks. I do that video.
Pardon?
I'm doing a video. You're talking, and this is gonna go line. So people can watch.
Is that you see that bat or whatever it is? Is that going to be on YouTube?
Yes.
And is that you?
Yeah.
Wow.
Look into the camera. Guys, this is my grandparents.
Where's the camera then? No, where's me on there?
That's my nanny.
Oh, I can see. Oh, there I am.
That's my nanny. She just came from England. She just arrived, and we sort of broke her up during the night. And yeah. Oh, guys, I forgot to say, if you haven't seen my Christmas review, I finally got the wreath. I forgot to show how I can play it. I'm gonna play Land of Red. I hope you enjoy it. That's how I can play, and I can also play Jingle Bells. But I'll play that later in one of my videos. Comment down below what song do you think I need to learn next. And don't forget to subscribe. Hey, don't stand on my head. My head's precious. Hi, bye. Oh, she's useless. Guys, we're not using the speed up today. We're going to be nice and slow so people think we're royal. I've had an idea of maybe pranking people. Well, we're going swimming soon. Hey guys, also, if you have to join Cub Scouts, it is the best.
So can I watch that on my iPad?
So, got my nan has no idea because I've never done this before. You understand? We're gonna go to Royal High and I'm gonna show you a secret. It's pink. It doesn't match as me. It needs to be black. New Royal High, you know, because everybody goes there, you know. Stop! Come on, say hello to my channel. Oh, by the way, if you haven't seen any of them, I can sing.
Says he never gets them.
So, guys, that's just my uncle. I got an Uncle Russell, but we call him Uncle Bubbles. Ready? This is the Royal Kingdom starring Princess Stormy, the Dark Fairy coming. Yeah. We're gonna jump and we're gonna move. I honestly find it easier flying on an iPad. Diamond. I got a diamond. I only have, guys, you can't see this, but it's 2:09 p.m. and I've got 621 diamonds. By the way, guys, this looks. I love this secret. Look, it might look not like a diamond, but it's a diamond.
Can you send that to Russell, Georgie?
So, guys, we're gonna do a fashion show off to all my latest. You can see my mouse dressed up, and you can see my mouse, my design. I got a few. Yeah. What's this one? My first one. It's.
Are you not on camera, are you?
I am. So, guys, don't forget, my name is Stomach. Dab. Ready? The floss. The floss. Don't think I play Fortnite. because I don't. Okay, that's one. And I like that. That's that costume. What's this one again? So guys, this is going to be the last one. This is only going to be a short video today. We might even have another video later if you don't. Hello. Comment down below what you want me. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And don't forget to see Stammy. And visit all my other channels because I'm awesome. I'll be your favorite YouTuber one day. No, I'm just kidding. But guys, just for you, I'm going to buy something and you guys are going to choose.
Has she got followers?
7 subscribers.
Sorry?
7 subscribers.
17?
7.
7?
I'm just new to this.
Well, I think you sound natural.
Right, Georgie, let's go. Say goodbye to your fans.
What? We guys, we're gonna buy. I don't like them. Just say if you comment. Comment down below which ones I should buy, and I'm gonna buy them next time I see you. So obviously you want to see my look. Oh, so beautiful. I'll turn around. There you go. So guys, we're gonna end this video now. In 5. Right, by the way, just say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Comment down below what games I should play next, and what songs I want to learn. And visit my channels every day. Because I can only play on a Sunday, Saturday, so we'll only have videos every Sunday and Saturday. Maybe even 3. So we need to go. Peace out.